welcome to Hiram Classes. Dear friends, today we are going to study about the English workshop of 3.3 Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. And this poem is written by Robert Frost. Okay, and then I have already done two videos, and one is about warming up activities, and second one was explanation of the poem. And now I am going to make a video about English workshop of the poem number 3.3 Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. So I will show you all the activities, and if you see the activities you will more clear. Okay, and I will show you and I will solve. Okay. English workshop activity 1. Put right mark in front of true statement or wrong mark in front of the false statement, and I have already done. A. The speaker stops to watch rain falling among the trees. Wrong one. B. The owner of the wood is known to the speaker. Right one. The horse is worried about the cold and wants to keep going. Wrong. D. The speaker doesn't emphasize upon the beauty of woods he is passing through. Wrong ones. And second activity I will read. Find out lines from the poem as a proof for the following explanation. And A. There is no one to catch the speaker trespassing. I will show you the answer. A. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. And second, B. The little horse draw his master's attention. I will show you the answer. B. Gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. And C. His horse seems anxious to keep going. See, my little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near. And then D, the speaker prefers to stay but he is forced to move onwards. D, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep. E, the poem is set in the bygone era. So I will show the he gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. This is the answer. And then I will go to the third activity. The poem is believed to have a reference to the poet's life itself. What could the following signify? Choose from the bracket below. So these the words they have given, and they have given the blanks. First one I will read. The speaker's journey life. B. Snowy evening means old age. And then C. Lovely deep dark woods, everlasting peace. Promises, duties and responsibilities. E. Sleep, death. Fourth, tell whether the rhyme scheme of the following stanzas is right or wrong. For the wrong rhyme scheme, give the correct one. Stanza number 1, AABA is right one. Stanza 2, wrong one. AABA is correct one, and it is a wrong one. Stanza 3, wrong one. AABA is a correct. Stanza 4, wrong one. AAAA is a right one. Number 5, give your own rhyming words for the following: house, mouse, woods, puts or goods, easy, busy, wind, mind or rain, dark, mark or bark, watch, catch, notch or notch. Activity 6, match the lines of the poem with their figures of speech. Group A, Group B. Whose woods these are, I think I know, is a C, means inversion. 2. The woods are lovely, dark and deep. A means alliteration. I have written A. 3. And miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. D means D I have written. 4. My little horse must think it queer. A means alliteration. Next, activity 7. Match the words given in group A with their meanings in group B. Mistake. Mistake. Huh? Mistake means C. Error. Downy flakes means soft snowy falling. E. I have written. Woods means jungle. D. I have written. 4. Queer means strange. A. I have written. 8. Complete the following web diagrams by adding suitable describing words in the boxes. One is done for you. Wind, fast, strong, hot, slow, cold. Evening, darkest, gloomy, pleasant, nice, bright. Dear students, I have solved here 8 activities and remaining 2 are there, and I will show you in the upcoming videos, means in future videos. So dear students, I hope you understood, and if you see thoroughly all the activities, you will understand. So if you like our video, please subscribe it and press the bell icon. It will help us to upload our future videos. And if you have any doubts, if you have find out any mistakes, please comment on our YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you.